Lots of batteries. Hi guys!
Ano lots of batteries?
Lots of batteries, something whatever, 0%. Hi! Hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta for today's video. Ang alam lang namin, gusto namin i-enjoy yung sun kasi masyado mainit today. Nag 20 degrees, actually 24 degrees outside ngayon. And since pareho naman kaming walang work, and then we were both sick.
Still sick.
Still sick. Last week si Kim yung grabe talaga, and then ngayon this week ako yung grabe talaga. I mean, not naman grabe talaga. Ano lang, ubo sipon. And ngayon lang kami nakalabas ng bahay na ano talaga, like na-enjoy namin yung labas kasi wala kaming work pareho. And yeah, kukuha muna tayo ng kape and we'll see kung saan tayo papad pa rin. Kasi pa si Kim nagka-curl pa siya ng lashes niya. We are here at the third beach. After namin bumili ng kape kanina, sorry, maingay ba? After namin bumili ng kape kanina, dumiretso na kami dito. So, eto, Stanley Park to na area. So, papunta dito, dumaan kami ng Stanley Park and then paikot lang naman to lahat. But yes, look at that. Ayan. Kita ba? Ay, hala, sorry. Ayan. Ang ganda ng araw, no? Gusto sana namin pumunta ng first beach, pero...
Let's walk the seawall.
Okay.
Let's walk the seawall.
Okay. Where?
I think this way. And then we do the second beach and then the first beach. I don't know.
Okay. So, naghahanap lang talaga kami ng gagawin today. Kasi nga magandang araw. Marami.
Oh, actually, there's parking here too. Let's go park there.
Okay. So, hanap kami ng ibang parking. Maraming nagpa-park dito ngayon kasi may kasal doon na nangyayari.
This one is the parking for the restaurant, the tea house.
Parking for the restaurant.
Yeah, tea house in Stanley Park.
Yeah. So, lilipat kami, maghahanap kami ng ibang parking na lang. What's happening? Hanap na kami ng parking. And, oh my God, ang daming tao.
Where?
Ay, ito pala yung pool. Pool sa sa Stanley. Sa second beach. Okay, we can, check out their pool para makita nyo. But, yes, ito yun. Second beach. Pero diba, wait.
Third beach, second beach, and...
First. Third, second, and first beach. Yes.
They're very creative with it. First is also known as like English Bay, isn't it?
I'm not too sure. But yes, lahat ng beaches dito magkakatabi lang. But yun, may Jericho, may Spanish, may English Bay, and then here, this is the second beach, I think. And dito pag summer, masyado maraming tao dito pag summer, guys. Ayan, ang daming tao ngayon.
There's washroom.
Okay, nice. Need to use the washroom. Okay, wait lang. Let's see. Left and right. Okay. Mag-washroom muna tayo, guys, kasi naihi ako kanina pa. I think we've been here.
Yeah, we've been here.
But we haven't seen the pool before. Was it closed? Lang. Welcome to, hindi ko alam kung saang beach. Anong beach? Second beach. Kakasabi lang natin kanina, second beach. Yes, halika, come on. Let's see here. That's the pool. Yan yung pool na parang, I think open siya for public. No. Is it? Yeah. Pero kailangan magbayad, di ba?
Yeah, I think it's only like $5 or something.
$5 or something. But yes, that's
this is good for sinus, no?
Yeah. Medyo pa yung boses natin ngayon kasi nga may ubot sipon tayo. And it's nice to be out.
We should have brought our mats. Could have sat down.
I know, but that's okay. maganda yung weather. Not too hot, not too cold. Not too hot, not too cold. And yeah. Walking now. I-on ko kaya to as ano?
As exercise. Ain't it today? But the weather is so nice, and the view is so nice too.
So cool.
Ganda naman dito. How do I make it ano?
Zoom in. You can't zoom in.
Oh, I can't. Okay, but yes, that's our view right now. And this is us. Sorry, against the light.
It's nice. We're now at English Bay, and this is also called First Beach, I think.
Yeah.
Or Second Beach. No, we were just at Second Beach, so this is First Beach, English Bay.
We're not actually sure about that.
No, it's English Bay. This is English Bay for sure. We're just... Anyways, it's gonna be June soon, so it's gonna be Pride Month. Yay, gay!
Guys, ang daming tao. Medyo nako-conscious ako mag-vlog kasi may mga nakahubad. May mga like shirtless kagaya nito. Medyo nako-conscious ako kasi baka sabihin nila na ano. Pero ako lang yan. Sige, medyo nainitan na siya. Yung mga
I
desisyon
should've worn shorts today.
yung mga desisyon natin ngayon sa pagpili ng susuotin, medyo
Napakalapit naman yung
question.
Serious.
Ang daming tao talaga, guys. Ang daming tao. Yeah. Okay, we are now at... Where are we? English?
Yeah,
English Bay?
still English.
Still English Bay. Okay, so dito kami nung... excuse me. Nung nagsalubong kami ng 2024, dito kami ni Kim. Pumunta kami dito ng sunrise. Tapos, dito namin sinalubong yung ano. Dito namin sinalubong yung sunrise. 2023 going ano. 2024 na New Year. Dito yon. And there. It's a nice view from here. That's the ano, yung nilakaran natin kanina. Diyan yun. You know, yan, ito lang talaga, no, kinagandahan sa Vancouver kasi you have a little bit of everything. Merong nature. May water, may buildings, may greens. So, etong part na to, mga bahay na yan dyan. And then, syempre downtown papunta doon. Everyone from Vancouver, they know na gloomy and dark siya during winter and siguro sometimes sa spring. But when summer comes and pa-fall din, sobrang ganda naman talaga. Yan nga. You have a little bit of everything. Meron kang may downtown, and then may dagat, may nature, ganun. Yun lang, yun kinagandahan. I mean, yeah. Oppenheimer.
Mayor of Vancouver. For 4 years lang naman, bakit may ano siya?
Baka may maganda siya nagawa sa City of Vancouver. Si Oppenheimer, guys, dating mayor ng Vancouver. Guys, have you watched Oppenheimer? Grabe, the best. Sobrang worth it yung panonood namin ni Kim ng Oppenheimer dati. And wala lang, nagustuhan lang namin siya.
Look at the trees. So tall.
Yeah. Hi! Kita bang likod? Mukhang hindi, no?
Kita naman siguro pag nasa TV.
Ah. Init. Eh, ano to? Let's read.
I hope you like this rock.
In loving memory of
I think this is Filipino, no? Bagnas.
Bagnas. Why? Bakit kaya andyan siya?
I don't know, but she likes this rock.
We're back sa second beach, guys, and ito pala yung ano nila, oh, sa pool. Online reservation, prepaid single visit entry lineup. Ito pala yung meron din ditong drop-in, entry payment required. So, merong online reservations, meron ding drop-ins. So, yeah. May mga kainan din dito. Oh, fish and chips. Tonkotsu ramen. Oh, yummers. Medyo hiningal kami, pero nakabalik na kami sa car. Anong oras na ba? 6 something, 6:11. And gutom na kami. I think tamang-tama na for dinner. Maghahanap kami siguro ng kakainan. Okay. Is it still nice? No. It's okay. Maghahanap kami ngayon ng anong hanapan natin? Food. Maghanap kami ng food kasi nagutom kami. Ang daming cars, pero tamang-tama lang siya na maraming cars. Parang everybody's out kasi maganda yung panahon. Trinay kong i-catch kanina yung bridge, yung Burrard Bridge, pero nahuli na ako mag-open ng camera. I'm so sorry. Pero, yeah. Ganda ng flowers. No? Ganda, ang ganda. Nag-post lang. Guys, kumain na kami, guys. Kumain kami sa food court sa Richmond Center. Hindi kami nag-vlog. Alam nyo, gutom na gutom. Alam nyo, gutom na talaga kami. Uy, Junella, magdanga. Gutom talaga kami kanina na parang yung pagkapasok namin diretso kami isip ko ano kakainin namin. And ngayon, dahil sa kadamutan namin, busog naman kami. And now, papunta kami na sa Marine Drive sa ano tawag nito? Cineplex sa Marine Drive kasi nakakuha kami nung gift certificate ba yun? Galing kina Ate Michelle. Ate Michelle, thank you so much. Christmas gift nila yun sa amin and ngayon pa namin nagamit. Naalala namin na may ano pala kami. Kinip namin yun sinave namin yun para pag may mahanap kami na magandang movie, gagamitin namin yun. And now, yun nga, manonood kami ng Lilo and Stitch. Ginamit namin yung gift certificate. So, Ate Michelle and Kuya Ryan, thank you so much.
Oh, the Richmond is open now?
Hello guys. Natapos na namin yung movie. May na-miss ba tayong ikwento sa kanila?
That we got here, I don't know.
Oo. Kanina.
Yeah, we're up Marine Drive. Cineplex.
Nasa Marine Drive kami na Cineplex.
Now we're going home.
Maganda yung movie. Funny lang. Very light lang talaga siya. For, good for children. Good for kids. Yes. Yun. And now, and then now, pauwi na kami. Kasi, 11:30 na. Yung pinanood namin na kasi, na schedule yung 9:40. And, ngayon lang natapos talaga. So anyway, yeah guys, uwi na kami. See you sa bahay.